Is that? What the fuck is that animal? I was like, oh, is that like a chimpanzee? And then balls came out of its throat. Like, what the?
I find you quite beautiful. I went on Love Calculator the other day and it said that me and you have a 99% chance of getting together. I just wanted to tell you that. Shanice, you're looking peng today. Your body jiggly. I'm liking what I'm feeling. Strong.
Yes! Yes, my G. Facts! Oh, that's funny. Oh, bro.
This nigga out there got knocked out like a little bitch. Nigga, I told you ain't a real superhero, man, nigga. Fuck y'all, this is my dream, nigga. I gotta put some respect on my name. Batman, chill out, man. We just trying to help you, bro. No,
Oh my god, that was amazing. That's amazing. Oh my god.